8 divided by 2 gives us 4. And 3 times 4 gives us 12. So 12 divided by 12, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one division. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 8 divided by 2, which gives us 4. So we have 12 divided by 3 times 4. Now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So 4 times 4, which equals 12. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is, 4 times 4 gives us 16, not 12. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.